Hello, I'd like to invite you to Industrial Equipment. My name's Stuart Bockel, one of the co-founders. There's 3 owners. I started here in the Williston Basin in 1974, and the other 2 owners were just a few years behind. So we have a combined experience of well over 120 years in the oil and gas industry. Our main industry is natural gas. That's what we started out in, overhauling large V12 engines and gas compressors for customers, recylindering, designing, and we did a lot of fabrication on pumps, whether it be saltwater disposal, freshwater injection, recycle pumps, electric, gas, and as we grew that market, our local steel provider could not keep up with the demand that we had, so we thought we'll start a small steel shop, and that was in 2007, and that has grown. We've got that now in a 60 by 325 foot building, so it started out in a little 1-bay shop and grew from there. And I believe both companies have grown to the extent that they are because of the customer service we have. When we started Industrial Equipment, the 3 of us said we need to pick some good products and we need to hire some good employees because our customers would follow us because of our service. And that's our number 1 driver is we want to take care of the customers. Customers are number 1, our employees are number 2, and our product lines are number 3. We extended into what is named Eco Alternative Fuel Systems, or Eco AFS, and we just opened a facility in Texas that we install material on diesel engines so they burn about 50% natural gas. They cut their fuel consumption, and on one drilling rig they save approximately $1 million a year in diesel fuel costs, besides the emissions, besides the maintenance on the engine isn't as much because natural gas is such a clean burning fuel versus diesel. So that market has opened up pretty drastic. We've been from Alaska to Florida, Pennsylvania to California, and everywhere in between, putting these products on. Again, I'd like to welcome you to Industrial Equipment. Thank you for your business. If you've bought from us before, and if you haven't, please give us a try and you won't be dissatisfied.
At IESS, we are ready and able to provide the pumps and services you need to move fluid above ground in the Bakken. At IESS, we specialize in solving existing pump problems as well as designing new pumping systems that will minimize your maintenance costs. We have a wide selection of pumps for the handling of drilling fluids, hydrocarbons, produced water, fresh water, and chemicals. These include, but are not limited to, Cat, Grundfos, Burks, Gorman-Rupp, Graco, Blackmer, Gould's, Kerflow, Versamatic, Wilden, Summit, MCM, and even Roper. Whether you need to recycle oil, transfer produced water, inject fresh water or chemicals, clean equipment, process drilling fluids, or clean up spills, we handle it all. Please remember, our consulting services are always free. IESS is the recognized leader in the region in meeting compressed air needs of our customers. We engineer and install customized solutions designed to provide clean, dry air to maximize your productivity. We also provide on-site preventative maintenance services to reduce costly downtime and save you money. IESS represents the best compressor manufacturers, including Quincy, Sullivan Palatech, Castair, Ingersoll Rand, and Atlas Copco. Our technicians can perform a comprehensive air system audit on your existing air system to provide options for decreasing operating costs. In addition to dew point analysis, we provide ultrasonic leak detection that can detect wasteful leaks down to a size of a pinhole from up to 15 feet away. This alone can save you thousands of dollars a year in wasted energy. Let our experienced technicians troubleshoot your equipment problems in our shop or at your location. Let us design and install a custom package for you with the right compressor configuration and accessories, including hose reels, pressure vessels, coolers, dryers, filters, and dew point monitors. Put our experience and problem solving to work for you. Remember, you are the reason IESS is here. Our top priority at IESS is solving equipment problems both in the field and in our shop. Our team of certified service technicians have over 100 years of combined experience working on a wide range of oilfield and industrial equipment. Our safety record proves that safety is always our top priority. IESS service crews are fully equipped to perform repairs and rebuilds and on-site preventative maintenance services on gas, diesel, and natural gas engines, on generators, all types of pumps, air and gas compressors, dryers, and scrubbers. Our machinists and steel fabricators work closely with our service technicians to engineer solutions when your equipment fails or when you have a new project to build. IESS maintains a fleet of generators, heaters, and fuel tanks for rent. We also offer load bank testing of generators. As you can see, IESS is your one-stop shop to keep your equipment up and running. Remember, you are the reason IESS is here. Badlands Steel is Western North Dakota's premier supplier of fabricated steel and related products. We stock over $1 million of steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and galvanized metal in a wide range of sizes and forms. These include angle, channel, square and round tubing, rods, strips and flats, sheets, wide and standard I-beams. Badlands also stocks expanded metal, walkways, strut, and bar grating. Accessories include half couplers, D-rings, hinges, tank flanges, all-thread, and spring latches. Badlands Steel not only has the products you need, but also the ability to cut and shear and break, and create items with our computer-controlled CNC plasma table. And with the help of the fabricators and machinists at our sister company, IESS, we can fabricate almost any steel project to your exact specifications. Badlands Steel and IESS build custom units, including simple channel-based units, oilfield-style skids, trailer units, and oilfield skids with either metal or fiberglass buildings. We design and fabricate units that incorporate electric or engine-driven pumps, compressors and drying systems, plumbing and valves, instrumentation, heaters, and RKI gas detection and monitoring systems. If you can dream it, we can build it. As you can see, together, Badlands Steel and IESS have everything you need to complete your fabricated steel projects. Remember, you are the reason we are here. When you need precision metal machining, industrial equipment sales and service can meet that need. With over 60 years of combined experience, our machinists can recondition and create metal items for engines, compressors, pumps, and much more. IESS machinists can perform magnafluxing, cast iron welding, lathe and millwork, and thermal arc spraying. We grind flywheels, bore and sleeve pump fluid ends, and recondition valve decks. IESS is the only machine shop in the Bakken region that specializes in reconditioning parts for gas compressors. We recondition fan shafts, connecting rods, connecting rod and crosshead pins and bushings, valves, and packing glands. We bore and sleeve counter bores, lower bores, and compressor cylinders up to 30 inches in diameter. When you face an emergency due to equipment failure, IESS machinists and service technicians will get you up and running in the shortest time possible without sacrificing precision, quality, and safety. Downtime means lost wages and profit. Don't hesitate. Call IESS immediately when your equipment needs repair. Remember, you are the reason we are here. IESS, Badlands Steel, and EcoAFS are sister companies working together to deliver products and services that minimize your downtime and increase your profitability. IESS has service technicians, machinists, fabricators, and the products you need to keep your equipment systems running efficiently. Badlands Steel has the fabricated steel and supplies you need to create your products. EcoAFS, or Alternative Fuel Systems, installs and maintains Ultronic GTI and GFS bi-fuel systems for all diesel engines. These systems allow you to operate your engines on a blend of natural gas and diesel fuel, potentially saving you many thousands of dollars a year. EcoAFS serves oilfield companies, industries, energy development, healthcare facilities, and information technology centers in 8 states. EcoAFS sells and installs RKI gas detection monitoring systems for gas plants, ESV valves, alarms, and personal protection. We also have Johnson Matthey catalysts and replacement elements for any brand of catalyst. Our technicians use Testo emission analyzers and equipment to spot check engine emissions. We offer load bank testing up to 2,000 kilowatts at either 480 or 600 volts, and engine commissioning by factory certified technicians. Remember, you are the reason we are here. IESS maintains a large inventory of items and parts for a wide range of equipment. We stock parts for pumps, engines, compressors, and light towers. We have pumps, electric motors, van air gas dryers, and roughneck heaters. Our inventory of filters is extensive. We also have the largest stock of Murphy products in the Bakken. When an item is not on hand, we can get it as soon as possible. Many vendors have same-day shipping via air or ground delivery. We take pride in the services we provide and in maintaining an inventory of parts necessary to deliver those services to you. Remember, you are the reason we are here.